At Insight Medical Imaging, we know that healthcare is personal. That's why we're committed to providing an environment where you can grow, be supported, and make a difference every single day.
The culture at Insight is inviting, from whether it be a staff perspective, a employee, or a patient. The moment you walk into our clinic, the staff members are your first point of contact, and they are there to set up your patient journey from the moment you enter to the moment you leave.
I mean, first and foremost, culture is one of the most important parts of our practice because the layers are so important to make sure that we can have the best product at the end of the day, and that product is centrally patient care. How the patient gets the right diagnosis at the right time for the right thing and gets referred to the right person all comes down to how these different layers of this organization work together, and that's critical to our success.
I always wanted to work in an industry that utilized a lot of cool technology without kind of losing that social aspect of things that sometimes comes with that nature of job. I think this hits the nice mark between the two, where I actually get to help people in the community and get to press a lot of cool buttons.
I would say what makes Insight unique is that we're constantly encouraging staff to expand their knowledge into different skill sets and provide the support of the constant growth that anyone in this field would want.
We support our employees in a variety of ways. We pair them together as they're learning new skills. That's not only for skills in their own particular role, but perhaps cross-training as well.
Insight is just open for growth. Whether you want to be a technologist and round out your skills that way, or if you have any leadership aspirations, there's a lot of growth opportunity within the company, and that collaboration kind of allows you to just kind of further your values and skills.
A person will thrive at Insight if they're passionate about patient care.
They'll be understanding to the many different types of patients we deal with.
Technologists that are self-starters yet can work together.
Definitely collaborative. This isn't a one-man show. It's very important to have a good team around you, and I think we're really good at developing that.
Bring a positive, joyful aspect to their work because that permeates everything.
We are the biggest provider of imaging in Northern Alberta. So we want to serve our patients to the best of our ability. So we want to use technologies to make the appropriate diagnosis. So we're always looking for cutting edge technology to aid us, to help us make the right diagnosis. Because in the end, our goal is patient care and making the right diagnosis. And technology helps us in that regard.
Insight is a large company, and we can offer all the amenities that one would hope to receive from a large company. One of the benefits that we offer is that we're still small enough and nimble enough to move forward in terms of implementing tools, technology, and services that are really important for our patients, and we can move forward quickly with those.
From a technology standpoint, we're unique in the fact that there's not many of our scanners in the province. At Insight, we house 2 GE MRI scanners as well as a GE CT scanner. Those scanners have deep learning algorithms on the MRI side that provide us some of the best image quality in the country. By going that GE route, we kind of went against the grain, and I think it's paid dividends to what we've been able to put out into the community.
For me, the future looks like more learning opportunities. I feel like Insight's got a good thing going where we're trying a lot of new things, we're teaching people a lot of new things, we're trying out new machines, and I'm kind of excited to be part of that.
I think it's the best job hands down as a radiologist, and my goal as a radiologist is to try and create an atmosphere where our employees feel the same way. I think as a group, my colleagues and I, we really share that same ethos, which is to create an atmosphere that's welcoming and inviting, but also that is desirable for people regardless of what level of your career you're at.
Insight is an amazing opportunity for you if you want to grow within your career. There's many opportunities for growth within this company, and if you want to go home every day feeling fulfilled with the work you do and feeling like you've made a difference, this is definitely the place for you to be.